in a great way. A very good and warm morning to everyone assembled here. I, Sushma M., feel relished to take the privilege of leading the program. It's my pleasure to welcome you all to this wonderful program. Mangalore University is located at Mangala Gangotri to the southeast of Mangalore, surrounded by the river, sea, and the ghats. The university plays a promising role for participants and facilitators towards its goal and mission. So welcome to the portals of Mangalore University. Dance is a form of art. Dance reflects feelings and emotions. Here is Sandhya and team to welcome you all with 3 beautiful forms of art. Manitoba, Canada. Dr. K. Ravichandran, the guest of honor, Associate Professor, School of Management, New York Institute of Technology, Abu Dhabi, UAE. Mr. Dayamurthy, the guest of honor, Head of Institutional Partnerships, ISTC. Professor Y. Muniraju, Dr. Preeti Kirti D'Souza, Dr. Vedava P., Dr. Parameshwara, Mr. Arun Castellino, Ms. Ruvina G. Amanna, Mr. Nizamuddin, Mr. Litin B.M. Today, we have gathered here on the occasion of International Conference on Contemporary Innovations in Industry and Commerce and National Level Postgraduate Commerce and Management Fest Magnum 2019 Beyond Horizon. I'm also glad to announce that the Department of Commerce has just completed 50 years. When I pray, I always thank Mother Nature for all the beauty of the world. Let us unite our minds and souls in the presence of God to seek the Almighty's abundant blessing on this special day. May I now request my friends to lead us into prayer and the gathering to remain seated.
तनच्या पुस्तकांतले वसप अध्याय 9 दनिसो वाक्य 10 तावन 13 पर्यंत राष्ट्रामध्ये सांगा सर्वेस्पोर राय संसार ताने तीर केला तो हालसो ना न्यायनितीन तो राष्ट्राची जर्ती करतलो सर्ग उल्हासू पृथ्वी संतोसू दर्यो आनी तांतू आसा ते सगळे कुशाल जावन रानांतले रूख आनंदान गितां गावन सर्वेस्परा मुखार कित्याक तो येता पृथ्वीची मनसुबी करूंक तो येता नितीन तो संसाराची मनसुबी करतलो सतान तो राष्ट्राची जर्ती करतलो देवाचे उतर हे देवाचे उडुपकार. Here is a gist on the Bible passage taken from the book of Psalm 96 verses 10 to 13. Say among the nations, the Lord reigns. The world also is firmly established. It shall not be moved. He shall judge the peoples righteously. Let the heaven rejoice and let the earth be glad. Let the sea roar and all its fullness. Let the field of joyful and all that is in it. Then all the trees of the woods will rejoice before the Lord. For he is coming to judge the earth. He shall judge the world with righteousness and the peoples with his truth. The word of God, thanks be to God.
अर्जुन उवाच प्रकृतिं पुरुषं चैव क्षेत्रं क्षेत्रज्ञमेव च एतद्वेदितुम् इच्छामि ज्ञानं ज्ञेयं च केशव. One who understands the difference between the body, the soul, and the supersoul beyond them, both attains liberation from the material world. Arjuna said, "O my dear Krishna, I wish to know about Prakriti, nature, Purusa, the enjoyer, and the field, and the knower of the field, and of knowledge, and the end of knowledge." The blessed Lord then said, "This body, O son of Kunti, is called the field, and one who knows this body is called the knower of the body."
أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم أمن خلق السماوات والأرض وأنزل لكم من السماء ماء فأنبتنا به حدائق ذات بهجة ما كان لكم أن تنبتوا شجرها أإله مع الله بل هم قوم يعدلون أمن جعل الأرض قرارا وجعل خلالها أنهارا وجعل لها رواسي وجعل بين البحرين حاجز أإله مع الله بل أكثرهم لا يعلمون. In the name of Allah, the most gracious and most merciful. Is not He who created the heavens and the earth and sends down for you water in the form of rain from the sky, whereby we cause to grow wonderful gardens full of beauty and delight? It is not in your ability to cause the growth of their trees. Is there any ilah, God with Allah? No, but they are a people who ascribe equals to Him. It is not He better than your God, who has made the earth as fixed abode, and has placed rivers in its midst, and has placed firm mountains therein, and has set a barrier between the two seas. Thank you.
ಧರೆಗವತರಿಸಿದೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಯು ಸುಂದರ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ಧರೆಗವತರಿಸಿದೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಯು ಸುಂದರ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ದೇವಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಸೊಬಗಿನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಲಸದಳವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ದೇವಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಸೊಬಗಿನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಲಸದಳವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ಧವಳ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಮುಕುಟದ ಮೆರುಗು ಕಾಲ್ತೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಜಲದಿಯ ಬುರುಗು ಧವಳ ಹಿಮಾಲಯ ಮುಕುಟದ ಮೆರುಗು ಕಾಲ್ತೊಳೆಯುತ್ತಲಿದೆ ಜಲದಿಯ ಬುರುಗು ಗಂಗಾ ಬಯಲಿದು ಹಸಿರಿನ ಸೆರಗು ಕಣ ಕಣ ಮಂಗಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ದೇವಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಸೊಬಗಿನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಲಸದಳವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ಹಲವು ಭಾಷೆ ನುಡಿ ಲಿಪಿಗಳ ತೋಟ ವಿವಿಧ ಪಂಥ ಮತಗಳ ರಸದೂಟ ಹಲವು ಭಾಷೆ ನುಡಿ ಲಿಪಿಗಳ ತೋಟ ವಿವಿಧ ಪಂಥ ಮತಗಳ ರಸದೂಟ ಕಾಣಲು ಕಾಮನ ಬಿಲ್ಲಿನ ನೋಟ ಬಗೆ ಬಗೆ ಸಂಕುಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ದೇವಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಸೊಬಗಿನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಲಸದಳವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ಧರೆಗವತರಿಸಿದೆ ಸ್ವರ್ಗದ ಸ್ಪರ್ಧಿಯು ಸುಂದರ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ದೇವಿ ನಿನ್ನಯ ಸೊಬಗಿನ ಮಹಿಮೆಯ ಬಣ್ಣಿಸಲಸದಳವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು ನಮ್ಮಿ ತಾಯಿ ನೆಲವು
Thank you, friends. We feel blessed indeed. The first virtue in a soldier is endurance of fatigue. Courage is only the second virtue. A few days back, our soldiers were martyred. Let us observe a minute silence followed by University Anthem. May I request the gathering to kindly rise.
ಎರೆಯುತ್ತ ಜ್ಞಾನ ತೆರೆಸುತ್ತ ಕಣ್ಣ ಈ ವಿದ್ಯೆ ಹೊನ್ನ ಕಿರಣ ದಿನ ಪಾಠ ಪಠಣ ಗುರು ಬುದ್ಧಿ ವಚನ ಇದು ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನ ತಾಣ ಪಡೆದಾಗಲೇನೆ ಸಿರಿ ಶಿಕ್ಷಣ ನಮ್ಮ ಅಂಧಕಾರ ದಮನ किरण दिन पाठ पठन गुरु बुद्धि वचन इदु विद्यादान ताण पडिदागेनि सिरि शिक्षण नम अंधकार दमन
मंगलूरु विश्वविद्यालय मंगलूरु विश्वविद्यालय
नमः नमः
ಜ್ಞಾನವೇ ಬೆಳಕು ಬೆಳಗೋಕೆ ಈ ಬದುಕು ಜ್ಞಾನವೇ ಬೆಳಕು ಬೆಳಗೋಕೆ ಈ ಬದುಕು.
Saying welcome sweetens the heart. It brings a sense of joy and moment of cheer to the gathering. May I invite Dr. Preeti Kirti D'Souza, Organizing Secretary and Faculty Coordinator of Commerce, to formally welcome one and all, and also to give a view on international conference.
Well, we all get up in the morning and new gadgets around. One of the famous one, Alexa. Many houses has this scene, and it goes like this. Hey Alexa, good morning. And definitely they get a reply, good morning. Let me try it out here with you or the entire audience with this same frame. When I wish, let me see what is the reply. Hello, good morning. Definitely there's a feel that is different. And this difference is because we are always surrounded by the aura of positive people. And today we feel blessed to have each one of you with us. I mean each and every one. Mangalore University, a university accredited by NAC with A grade, welcomes each one of you to the portals of this magnificent place, an educational institution. The Department of Studies and Research in Commerce is having, ladies and gentlemen, a triple dhamaka offer today. The first one, celebrations of 50 years of existence, the Golden Jubilee from 1969 to 2019. The second one, a 2-day international conference on contemporary innovations in industry and commerce, CIIC 2019. Thank you. And the third one, a 2-day national level postgraduate commerce and management fest, the most awaited Magnum 2K19. We, the faculty and students, on behalf of the organizing consortium, cordially invite you to this inaugural program, where 1 plus 1 is equal to 3, and 3 programs, the just synergistic feeling. We present to you, ladies and gentlemen, the first international conference of the department, and yes, the department feels so very proud because this is one of the most befitting way to celebrate 50 years of inception, growth, and sustainability. We are indeed blessed with a galaxy of stars. I must say, heart goes really out, and I feel so happy to see the stars during the day. Thrilled I am to extend a respectful welcome to the Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, Professor Ishwara P. A warm welcome to you, sir. Being our own, we find immense happiness to have you, sir, with us. Having grounded in the knowledge in the area of costing and accounting, we always feel to be on the asset side with the presence of our respectful Vice Chancellor. Sir, we accord you a warmest welcome, and I'll be failing in my duty if I do not mention that all the strength The guidance to organize this event has come from Professor Ishwara P. and also I take this opportunity to thank him for having faith in me. A warmest welcome, dear sir. We had the inaugurator for the mega event, Mr. Shashikant Senthil S., the Deputy Commissioner of Dakshina Kannada, Karnataka. He just intimated, as the governor is coming, he cannot make it on the same time and would be here in some time if possible. And when he said he cannot make time, yes, it was time to have the most befitting inaugurator for this mega event, Mr. Chris Lewis, the former Vice President, hedge fund, Merrill Lynch, Bank of America. We are indeed delighted to have Mr. Chris Lewis, a truly international figure, to be the inaugurator of this international conference, CIIC 2019, as well as National Fest Magnum 2K19. I am humbled to place before you the meritorious journey of our inaugurator. An eminent expert in the field of data analytics, artificial intelligence, machine learning, deep learning, and so on. Mr. Chris has 30 years of experience as a senior global management in USA, Europe, and Asia in the Fortune 100 multinational organizations. His educational graph runs like this: MBA in finance, MS computer science, MS Electronics from USA, Architectural Design from New York, certification in Oracle Corporation, Cisco Networks, IBM, Sun Microsystem, Microsoft USA, and Advanced Computing Proficiency from the prestigious IISc Bangalore. The business sectors he has contributed are telecommunication, pharmaceutical, financial, digital media, and many more. Mr. Chris can speak in 4 more languages added to English. They are French, Spanish, Chinese, and Japanese. Yokosu, sir. Yokosu means in Japanese, definitely a welcome, and that is what I learned from one of my dear friend, Kumi Otomo, when she was here in India. It's interesting to know the business locations experienced by Mr. Chris Lewis at Hong Kong, Tokyo, London, Frankfurt, Paris, Manila, Shanghai, and sorry, we also have our great India. He was a vice president of prime brokerage hedge fund Merrill Lynch, Bank of America, global market and investment banking, New York, management consultant at Sea Change International, Boston, system manager, Mark & Company, White House Station, New Jersey, and after all the industrial striving, he said he needs to give back to the society, and he has served as the HOD of the Computer Science Department at St. Joseph's College, Bangalore, as well as the Dean of Applied Science, St. Joseph's, Bangalore. He was also the director of the global stock trading system, NASDAQ. Indeed, definitely, ladies and gentlemen, no words can describe our happiness to have you, sir, among with us. What can I say? We are blessed. Definitely, we are blessed. As it was an academic accident that I met him, interacted with him, and was humbled by his simplicity, this told me also that I have to learn a lot in life. A warm welcome to you, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, presenting to you the inaugurator, Mr. Chris Lewis. We have with us for this historic event of the department, Dr. Srimanta Rao S. Appadu, Professor, Asper School of Business, University of Manitoba, Canada. I and Sir met in the year 2013 in Thailand, and we became great friends, never realizing that what his contribution was to the knowledge world. As we conversed, little did I know that I was walking with an encyclopedia. heading the Department of System Supply Chain Management at the prestigious Asper School of Business, University of Manitoba, Canada. Sir has a great teaching profile, portfolio and CV which can be difficultly curtailed to 50 pages. I take the courage, sir, of calling you my fuzzy logic professor, because it's numbers that he crunches and brings mesmerizing results that can be interpreted and used in practice. The educational background goes like this: BSc, MSc, PhD in interdisciplinary program encompassing management science, statistics, finances, and fuzzy systems. Well-versed in French and English, Dr. Appadu has received several research grant awards. Having received several grant awards, Sir loves to travel with his better half, Madam Rupa. Madam, can I have you please stand once? So this is Madam Rupa, the better half of Dr. S. Appadu. I remember, Madam, our real great shopping that we had in Indonesia, but more than that, I thank you for your presence here. Shri Appadu has received several Best Paper awards, but nothing can be a charm better than having top 25 hottest articles on Science Direct Elsevier. He has the most cited mathematical and computer modeling articles to his credit. Being a researcher at heart, he loves to have collaborative research. Sir, we look forward to have collaborative work between Mangalore University and University of Manitoba. I must admit that our conference is definitely an international one by your presence. Let me please announce that Sir agreed to be a part of this conference and has come from Canada exclusively for this conference when I asked, you're doing it? And he said, yes, I need to meet more people. We are not crestfallen by your very presence, sir, but we are delighted to have you here with us. Sir, being a reviewer of so many journals, I still wonder how you make time to review so many places, as I know you love to travel. Sir, a hearty welcome to Mangalore University, and we'll be listening more to him in the upcoming panel discussion. A warm, sweet welcome to the another guest of honor, Dr. Krishnamurthy Ravichandran, Associate Professor, School of Management, New York Institute of Technology, Abu Dhabi, UAE. He is another academic associate of mine who has come exclusively with his better half, Madam Vaidehi Ravichandran. Madam, I wholeheartedly welcome you. Can you please rise so the audience knows Madam Vaidehi Ravichandran, who wholeheartedly accepted this particular welcome. A warm welcome to you, Madam. Only that I gave was not a full, but just a humble invite, and Sir swiftly said yes, without a second thought, and he is all the way from Abu Dhabi only for this occasion. To introduce Sir, where do I start? Being an associate professor in finance at the School of Management, New York Institute of Technology in Abu Dhabi, UAE, he is the postdoctoral fellow from the University of Kenbanska, Malaysia, UKM in 2009. Being a voracious reader and a traveler beyond imagination, sometimes Sir travels one country every week. Dr. Ravi, I take this privilege of calling Dr. Ravichandran as Dr. Ravi, has an academic and industrial experience which is widely built. The most dearest things to him are his consultancy assignments. Industry Academic Consultancy Agreement signed with Abu Dhabi Stock Exchange in the year 2017 to create Investor Education Center in Abu Dhabi. The second one, Industry Academic Consultancy Agreement signed with Arpuda App Private Limited in 2018 to develop an ICT application on education. First, when I met Sir, say around 7 years back, I did feel that 24 hours are not enough for him. Always so many things to tell, so many things to share, and so many things to do, and this is rightly put in the recognition of awards that he has received. 100 Most Dedicated Professors Award at the World Education Congress in July 2018, Education Leadership Award in the World Sustainability Congress in 2017, Outstanding Contribution to Education Award at the World Sustainability Congress in Dubai 2016, the list goes on. Having completed so many projects and a couple of textbooks, he is very interested in putting a 5-year perspective plan in the area of research, teaching and learning, contributions to the discipline, willingness to learn, and learning new skills. What more do I say? His 3 projects are nominated for the UN Awards. Please note, you will get the best insights of Professor Ravi Chandran in the upcoming panel discussion. More than being a teacher, Professor Ravi is a learner par excellence too. There is nothing that he does not want to do, and I bet you I mean every word. I'll tell you very soon on it. Professor Ravi, a sincerest welcome. We are delighted to have with us a strong associate, our academic partner in growth with regard to IFRS in our curriculum, Dr. Daya Murthy. India, Head for Institutional Partnerships, International Skill Development Corporation, ISDC. The reason for Sir being with us will be unveiled very soon, and Dr. Daya Murthy has an extensive 15 years industrial experience working across different industry verticals like banking, e-commerce, startup, and presently education space, and he is leading one of the business articles in ISDC. Students, please note, he also provides business consulting for startup firms and conducts soft skill training. So learners, you know whom you should not miss approaching. He has a PG diploma from NIS, MBA from Bangalore University. Sir Daya, welcome to Bangalore University. The person behind the scene to bring Mr. Daya Murthy to this event is Madam Vasumati R. Shetty, the market at ISTC. May I please request you to stand, Madam? We are beholden by all the things that you have done for us. An earnest welcome to you, Madam. I amiably welcome, in the absence, Professor P.S. Yadapadithaya, the conference mentor and the senior-most professor of our department, my teacher, the former registrar of Bangalore University. It is my joy to welcome another conference mentor, Professor Y. Muniraju, Professor, Department of Commerce, Bangalore University. Being the former dean and chairman of our department, he also was the in-charge vice chancellor of Bangalore University. Having his interest in the field of marketing management, we will all experience a dynamic session on international innovative trade practices in the upcoming panel discussion. I must place on record the assurance and moral courage that I got from Professor Muniraju while organizing this maiden event of the department. And sir, I here state thanks and offer you a merry, hearty welcome. Just like the pillars who give support to the structure, I have with me the conference joint secretaries, Dr. Vedava P., Associate Professor and Coordinator, MCOM HRD, and Dr. Parameshwara, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Bangalore University. I accord a congenial welcome to both of you and say thanks for your help, support, and moral courage. This teamwork has a long way to go, sirs. An earnest welcome to you both. Ladies and gentlemen, thrilled I am with the sustenance of my students who make my life more complete. I warmly welcome the President of the Commerce Association, Mr. Arun Castellino, a complete package of sincere hard work and dedication. The Vice President of Commerce Association, Ms. Rivina J. Amanna, who is indeed wise. Mr. Nasiruddin, the man behind the scene. The Secretary of the Commerce Association, and Mr. Litin B.M., the money man, the Treasurer of Commerce Association. An affectionate welcome to you all. We all have here Each and everyone indeed special, and I extend my warmest welcome to the administrative heads and staff of the university, and in particular all the department heads and staff of other departments of Mangalore University. I welcome each one of you. I wish to place on record and make a note of the presence of Professor A. Raghurama, retired but definitely not tired, our professor of the Department of Commerce, Mangalore University, Dr. Chandramma, our former colleague in the department, presently Associate Professor, Dharwad University. A warm welcome to you both. I must say special welcome to all the invitees, our guests and special invitees. I wish to welcome all the invitees, academic collaborators, and paper presenters of this international conference. It's a magical moment for me to tell you that we have received more than 360 plus conference papers, 200 plus from the researchers and faculty, 100 plus papers from the students, out of which proudly I say 42 papers are from our department students, and 54 papers which are a combined effort of staff and students of various other institutes. Truly international this conference, because we have the international guest as you see, and we have received papers from Japan, Australia, Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Canada, Afghanistan, Iran, Yemen, Ethiopia, and several African countries, and definitely the ocean of papers from India, running from Rajasthan to the north to Tamil Nadu to the south. Dear contributors, you are the real fragrance of this academic meet. Let's build a network of academic intellectuals. We will shortly bring out a publication of selected papers. Intimation will be given to you by mail in a couple of days, and I have Dr. Ravi, who has also offered his expertise to make it a worthwhile publication. I wholeheartedly welcome my staff in the department, teaching and non-teaching. Although I want to mention each name, I reserve it for the valedictory, and I really take you as my strength. Without a single frown on your face, you are giving the best to the department. Blessed we are to have each one of you a deepest, heartfelt welcome. The research scholars of the department, both past and present, we give you a cheerful welcome. We are always happy to have you with us and place on record the contributions done by the research scholars, particularly in this conference. A cordial welcome to the members of the electronic and print media. Thank you for disseminating Mangalore University and its activities. I'm sorry I have taken time, but the backbenchers are the real charm in every class. And in my class, yes, I definitely say my class because I have been long, because I have to introduce such a galaxy of people. I now have my students and the students of various people who have come here for Magnum 2019. I place a cordial welcome and extend a warmest welcome to all the students who have come from Magnum and the faculty members who have come along with them. As I said, I have my students in the Department of Commerce, MCOM HRD, the real backbone in the organizing and triple Dhamaka. Magnum is their baby. I definitely say Magnum is their baby, and they have strived for it. I warmly welcome each one of you and appeal to give your best to your fest and do not rest until you experience a zest. Well, ladies and gentlemen, I always keep things at the last, and that is the cherry on top. I would like to place this cordial warm welcome to Professor Kishori Nayak, who has made all the way and come here, madam. Thanks a lot for being here with us. I extend a warmful welcome to Professor Kishori Nayak and Professor Putana. Putana, sir, thank you very much for being with us. Delegates from near and far, we always feel happy to have you here, and we have a message. A warm welcome and happy learning, and please feel free to contact us for any of your needs. Magnum participants, we are with you for your every prerequisites. Enjoy and excel Please enjoy and excel in this entire magnum. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm sorry for taking your time, but this is what makes international conference really international, by your presence. And I give again this cordial welcome to each and everyone gathered here. God bless us all.
Thank you, ma'am, for your earnest welcome address. He who plants a garden plants happiness. It's my pleasure to request Professor Ishwara P. to give a floral welcome to the inaugurator, Mr. Chris Lewis. It's nice to see a flower when it's still a part of a plant. Thank you, sir. May I request Dr. Preeti Kirti D'Souza to florally welcome Professor Ishwara P., Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University. Thank you, ma'am. May I call upon Mr. Abdul Jalil K.E., Faculty of Department of Commerce, to give a floral welcome to the guest of honor, Dr. Srimantu Rao S. Appadu. Thank you, sir. May I now request Mr. Jaya Prashant S., Faculty of Department of Commerce, to florally welcome the guest of honor, Dr. K. Ravichandran. Thank you, sir. It's my pleasure to request Ms. Rakshita Shetty, Faculty of Department of Commerce, to florally welcome the guest of honor, Mr. Jaya Murthy. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Mrs. Yashwanti, Faculty of Department of Commerce, to give a floral welcome to Professor Y. Muniraju, Department of Commerce, Mangalore University. Thank you, ma'am. May I call upon Ms. Akshita, Faculty of Department of Commerce, Mangalore University, to florally welcome Dr. Preeti Kirti D'Souza, the Organizing Secretary and Faculty Coordinator of Magnum. Thank you, ma'am. May I now request Ms. Deepthi, Faculty of Department of Commerce, to give a floral welcome to Dr. Vedava P., Associate Professor and Coordinator of MCOM HRD, Department of Commerce, Mangalore University. Thank you, ma'am. It's my pleasure to request Mr. Abhinandan, Faculty of Department of Commerce, to florally welcome Dr. Parameshwara, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce. Thank you, sir. May I now request Mr. Yashwit to florally welcome Mr. Arun Castellino, the President of Commerce Association. Thank you, Yashwit. May I call upon Ms. Sneha to give a floral welcome to Ms. Ravina, the Vice President of Commerce Association. Thank you, Sneha. May I now request Mr. Kiran Kumar to florally welcome Mr. Nizamuddin, the Secretary of Commerce Association. Thank you, Kiran. May I call upon Mr. Ramesh to give a floral welcome to Mr. Litin B.M., the Treasurer of Commerce Association. Thank you, Ramesh. May I now request Mr. Arun Castellino, the President of Commerce Association, to give the bird's eye view about Magnum 2K19.
A pleasant Grincher morning for you all. In the monotonous life cycle of a student, which mainly includes eating, sleeping, lectures, and repeating, Magnum 2K19 shows certain degree of fluctuations in the excitement levels of students. The only reason why we are loving Magnum from past 13 years is not because it acts as a catalyst to spark things up in one's monotonous college schedule, but because of the additional perks we obtained from past 13 years. Magnum 2K19, a Commerce and Management National Level Fest, is a platform for PG students to showcase their skills and abilities and develop them. We, the organizers of Magnum, take pride in reporting that it is an effort to enable the students to excel beyond the academics. It will uphold the norms and values of upcoming commerce discipline by enhancing the knowledge, exhibiting innate talents, building up team spirit, interacting with all under one roof. Magnum assures a confident endeavor to all of you. Keeping the thought of environment conservation, Magnum 2K19 plans to have a Grincher theme, which is an umbrella term that defines anything we do to protect our planet and conserve its natural resources so that every living can have an improved quality of life. Magnum 2K19 has planned to have 6 rounds, out of which Best Management Team and Best Manager remain same. To have an exposure of other terms, 4 different events are initiated, namely stock market, business ethics, accounting, and economics. Participants will be able to know the practical applicability of these concepts in New Era. So, I request all the participants to attain the knowledge in the fullest ways. Have a great learning opportunity. All the best. Thank you.
Thank you, Arun. If you have a garden and a library, you have everything you need. Now, we will have inaugural ceremony. May I request Mr. Chris Lewis to traditionally inaugurate by watering the Tulsi plant. I also request the dignitaries to kindly join in the traditional inaugural. Opportunities do not happen, you create them. Presenting to you the remark of symbol of success, the victory of hard work, the trophies of the magnificent 2D national level postgraduate fest, Magnum 2K bearers to present the sapling to Ms. Soumeshri, who has come on behalf of Professor Raju Krishna, the Estate Officer of Mangalore University. Thank you. A request to all staffs and students of Department of Commerce, Mangalore University, that the same sapling along with the other 50 saplings will be planted at our department garden. So I request you all to be present at 9:45 a.m. in the Department of Commerce tomorrow. We are privileged to have with us the inaugurator, Mr. Chris Lewis, former Vice President, Hedge Fund, Merrill Lynch Bank of America. May I now request Mr. Chris Lewis to deliver the inaugural address.
Respected Honorable Professor Dr. Ishwara, Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, Guest of Honors, Professor Dr. Sri Mantrao, Professor Asper School of Business, University of Manitoba, Canada, Professor D. Krishna Ravichandran, Associate Professor, School of Management, NOIT, Abu Dhabi, Professor Dr. Y. Muniraju, Professor, Department of Commerce, Mangalore University, Professor Dr. Preeti D'Souza, Program Organizer, Department of Commerce, Mangalore University. My dear faculty, student, and all participants, I am honored to accept the invitation from the Department of Studies and Research in Commerce, Mangalore University, as a chief guest for the celebration of your Golden Jubilee 1969-2019 and the inauguration program of International Conference on Contemporary Innovation in Industry and Commerce, National Level Program Magna Fest 2019 by Postgraduate Commerce and Postgraduate Management. I wish all the best for the celebration of 50-year Golden Jubilee for your department, International Conference on Current Innovation in Commerce, and wish you good luck with the Magnum Fest 2019. Thank you.
Thank you, sir, for your words on this academic program. The Department of Commerce, Mangalore University, has put its humble steps in the year 1969 as a PG center of Mysore University. The humble steps of yesteryears now have taken a great milestones, and we have reached 50 years successfully. The department wishes to grow and adopt as well as imbibe the changing trends that are happening in the industry. As an innovative step, we are happy to announce that we have introduced IFRS in the UG and PG curriculum. This initiative of introducing IFRS was done with the help of ISDC, International Skill Development Corporation. On this occasion, as the Department of Commerce celebrates 50 years of growth and stability, we have Mr. Dayamurthy, the Head of Institutional Partnership, ISTC, to present a certificate to the Department of Commerce, Mangalore University, for successfully integrating IFRS. May I request Professor Ishwara P., the Honorable Vice Chancellor, as well as the Dean, Faculty of Commerce and Chairman, Department of Commerce, to kindly accept the certificate awarded to the department by Mr. Dayamurthy on behalf of ISTC. Thank you, sir. It's my honor to request Mr. Dayamurthy to give his message on this occasion.
distinguished guests on the dignitaries on the dais, respected professors, faculties, students, and my dear friends. On behalf of ISDC, I would extend hearty congratulations to the university on their 50th years of celebration, Golden Jubilee years of celebration, and the launch of CII 2019 and Magnum 2K19. I was just reading a recent article which says that the average age of an enterprise is about 17 years, 17. The average age of a university goes beyond hundreds of years, right? So, and another statistics I would like to just place it in front of you is the median age of the Indian population is 21 years. So that goes without saying that a large amount of Indian population are the college goers. So it is in this context ISDC has collaborated with Mangalore University to bring in the new age education which is in demand, which would help students to make industry ready. At ISDC, we strongly believe digitalization, internationalization, and collaboration are the strong three pillars of building any enterprise, any university or a college. So these are the game changers of today's economy. And in this context, I would really like to express my gratitude to the leadership team of Mangalore University for collaborating with ISDC, and definitely the students of commerce, both the UG and at the PG level, are going to witness a huge amount of change, definitely are going to witness a good impact in their careers in the coming years. So thank you one and all, thank you very much.
Every thought you produce, anything you say, any actions you do, it bears your signature. It gives me an immense pleasure to call upon Dr. Srimanta Rao S. Appadu to give his message on this occasion.
I'm so pleased to see so many of you for this international conference. Your presence is a reflection of your interest between industry and academics. I am convinced that the presence of all of you will contribute to the value of this morning session. Before we get started, I would like to express my sincere appreciation to all of you who generously helped in making this event a huge success. Now, conferences of such nature, provide a valuable opportunity for research scientists, industry specialists, and decision makers to share experience. I am sure we will have fruitful and rewarding exchange in the next 2 days. Well, I do not want to take too much of your time. Today will be a fun and full day of learning. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the organizing secretary and faculty coordinator of Magnum, Dr. Preeti Kirti D'Souza, who is willing to announce something very special. Over to you, ma'am.
August gathering. When I welcomed Dr. K. Ravichandran, the Associate Professor, School of Management, New York Institute of Technology, I said, more than being a teacher, Professor Ravi is a learner par excellence. There is nothing that he does not want not to do. And I bet you I mean every word. And then I said, I'll tell you very soon on it. Now is the time to reveal it to you. Ladies and gentlemen, a proudest moment to every Indian, I must say, as Dr. Ravichandran Krishnamurthy has been selected for the WSIS Prize 2019 champion for the category 9 for his brainchild towards sustainable ICT model for educational institutions of Arpuda App Private Limited, an app to develop an ICT application on education. WSIS prizes, what are they? World Summit on the Information Society Prizes. It is a unique international contest where the governments, private sectors, international entities participate. Extremely rare, rarest of the rare occasion, an individual makes it to the top. Out of 1,064 nominated ICT success stories from entire world, Arpuda App Private Limited, a sustainable ICT model for educational institutions, was among those which made to the top 5 in the entire world in category 9 category. This is definitely the most best moment. This is a world recognition, and we, the academic well-wishers of Dr. Ravi, were on cloud 9 when this announcement came just 2 days back. This app at the world level has got a recognition of being a champion already, and out of the 5 champions, 1 will be offered as the winner in a couple of days. Coming this far, that too as a capacity of an individual, is a commendable recognition, and we would like to honor you, sir, for this greatest achievement of yours. So can I have the chair, please? This is a suspense which sir never knew. Sir, we congratulate you on this amazing achievement. Please be seated, sir. And this is really special because here are my words. Ladies and gentlemen, please be seated, sir. I have to announce. Ladies and gentlemen, the final award ceremony of WSIS Prizes 2019 will be on the 9th of April in Geneva, Switzerland, where Sir Ravi will be having an opportunity to present his work. Out of the final 5, 1 will be the overall winner, and the world will come to know. We wish and pray that your dream child, Arpuda App Private Limited, be a winner, and all join in encouraging you, and we wish you very well. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the WSIS Prize 2019 champion on the 9th of April 2019 in Geneva. He will be awarded the Champion's Certificate from the ITC Secretary General at WSIS Prizes, and we wish you that you will be also the overall winner, which will be held from 8th to 12th April 2019 at Geneva, Switzerland. May I please request the Honorable Vice Chancellor and the dignitaries to kindly do the honors and honor Dr. K. Ravichandran for this greatest
They are more excited today. 2 days before, when the award was announced at 12:30 in the night, we could not sleep at the night actually. Today it's going to be the same day for me, I think so. Where Preeti made me, I don't know this award means to me, but it means to me now. Okay, thank you for this, and I thank Vice Chancellor for taking this opportunity to greet me here and welcome me here to this conference. I will once again say, I will come back with the award and show it to you all. And this is my commitment, which I tell to you. Maybe April 12th, I am just getting this award. 10th, I will come back to you with the award and meet the students and the faculty members here. The message I wanted to give back is, at the age of, the university is commemorating the Golden Jubilee. I am also in the Golden Jubilee year now. This award comes not only for me to the university, also at the Golden Jubilee year, okay? The only one message I want to tell you is research is the key for life. For the professor, I'm just telling you, research can take you everywhere, research can make you everywhere. Okay, that is the only one key for the success in life, in my life story. I keep on talking to people, keep on moving to people, connections and research. This is the only one thing I do normally. So conference, you have come for a conference today, international conference. What is conference? Basically is connections. If you are really come for a conference, what you have to do is connect each other with the professors, with the learned people, with titles which you talk about it. Understand that connections makes you success. Thank you for the opportunity. We will talk more when you are going to the next session. I thank all the august audience in the dais and off the dais, on the dais. You made me more excited. Thank you for this. I hope I will bring laurels to the India by offering, and Preeti announced only one award. Actually, we award 2 awards, we got it. There is another in category 11 in the women development also, we got the champion award. Okay. Something to society. As a teacher, we do something now. We got the community. You are doing some community exercises. As an individual, as a person, as a human being, you have to do something to society. Okay. If you do something, then that something inner things you say that is fulfilled. So I thought the area which I need to develop is women entrepreneur education. So that is what made me to do something for women development. So this award is also champion award. We got it for women entrepreneur development in the rural sector for India. So that we will explain you more when I am doing the thing. Thank you for the opportunity. Thank you, everybody.
Thank you, sir, for your words on this program. It's my honor to request Professor Ishura P., Honorable Vice Chancellor of Mangalore University, to give the presidential remark.